Hey, what's up, guys?
Welcome back to the channel.
I'm Zach,
And I'm Bryson.
and today we're going to be talking about the ultimate tool for your mobile device.
If you love taking photos with your phone,
That is the tool for you.
and we're going to tell you 5 reasons why. So reason 1 is having access to a mobile polarizer. Using a polarizer, no matter what you're shooting, makes your photos instantly 10 times better. It allows you to bring back color or cut reflections with a simple turn of your polarizer.
Reason number 2, it is very easy to use. You can use it on just about any Android and or iPhone. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. 2 seconds.
We are not sponsored by this company, even though we would love to be sponsored by you guys. But the link, if you want to purchase this, will be down in the description below. Reason 3 is that it's very cost effective. If you have a polarizer that's the size that Prism Lens FX has, then all you need to buy is this attachment. It's definitely easier and cheaper than going out buying a new camera, a new lens, and never understanding even how to use it.
Reason number 4, it is very practical. Everyone carries a phone in their pocket and or hand. Whether this is on your phone or in your pocket, you hardly even notice that it's there. Not only that, it also helps you enhance your photos. So why don't you go get one?
Reason number 5 is that it is very helpful. When you're wanting any natural colors in your grass or sky, all you have to do is spin the polarizer. With this attachment, that makes it very easy to do so.
If you like this video, please leave a like, comment.
Help us out by hitting subscribe, hit that bell for the notifications so you never miss a video, and we will see you guys in the next one.